How to pass ICAN exams in one sitting, the 5-step strategy. Most people think passing ICAN is about being a genius or reading for 18 hours a day. But after coaching thousands of students at Ezikan Academy, I've realized that's not true. I've seen brilliant students fail and average students pass with flying colors. The difference? A system. Today, I'm breaking down the exact 5-step strategy you need to pass all your papers in one sitting without losing your mind. Let's dive in. Step 1. The examiner's mindset. Step 1 is the most ignored. Understanding the examiners. In most of the ICAN papers, they aren't testing your memory. They are testing your professional judgment. Stop memorizing definitions and start practicing how to solve problems like a chartered accountant. Step 2. The active solve method. Ditch the passive reading. If you spend 4 hours reading a textbook but 0 hours solving past questions, you are preparing to fail. You need to solve 5 years of past questions under timed conditions. This builds your exam stamina. Step 3. The syllabus map. Focus on the high yield topics. Every syllabus has topics that appear 90% of the time. For example, you can't go into a taxation exam without mastering adjusted profits or capital allowances. Master the heavy hitters first. Step 4. The 15 minutes rule. The first 15 minutes of the exam are the most important. I will show you how to use that reading time to rank questions from easy to hardest, so you can secure your first 50 marks as fast as possible. Look, the ICAN journey is a marathon, not a sprint. If you want my study timetable template for the upcoming diet, comment timetable. And if you are serious about becoming a chartered accountant, hit the subscribe button and join us at Ezikan Academy. We don't just teach the syllabus, we teach you how to win. Comment chartered accountant below if you are passing your exams this year. I see you in the next class.